Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Jaguar F-Type V8 vs Porsche 911 full comparison. Pause briefly and get comfortable because we dive straight into engines, handling, design, and ownership costs. I will explain torque, power delivery, weight distribution, and braking feel in simple terms. Expect clear comparisons, driving impressions, and practical buying considerations, so you can decide which sports car matches your priorities and budget right now. We start with engine and performance differences between the Jaguar's V8 and the Porsche Flat Six character. The Jaguar delivers thunderous low-end torque and a linear shove, while the Porsche emphasizes revs and razor-sharp response. I'll break down horsepower, torque figures, transmission behavior, and real-world acceleration impressions. Listen for how weight and chassis tuning influence lap time potential, daily drivability, and the emotional experience behind each throttle tip today. Ad break, quick recommendation for anyone who likes neat gear and meal planning. If you meal prep, consider these leak-proof containers that keep food secure and make lunches effortless. If you are enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support more detailed car content. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a set if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we examine chassis, steering feel, and braking characteristics to see how each car communicates with the driver. The Porsche trades a bit of outright torque for instantaneous turn-in and composure, while the Jaguar offers a more dramatic, heavy feel that thrills on straights. I'll cover interior ergonomics, tech features, cargo practicality, and predict maintenance and insurance considerations so you understand long-term ownership costs and lifestyle fit too.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.